Hello everyone, my dear all student. Hope all of you fine. Today we are going to solve this question, exercise 2A, page 39, question number 7, Roman 1, for the student of Meghalaya only. My dear students, the question is, find a quadratic polynomial each with the numbers given below as sum and product of its zeros respectively, minus 3 by 5, comma minus 2 by 5. From this question, first of all we have to understand one thing, what they are given. They have given what? Sum and product of its zeros. It means sum of the zeros given is minus 3 by 5 and product of the zeros is given minus 2 by 5. Now we have to understand what is sum of the zeros, what is product of the zeros. So let's start the solution. How can we start? We will consider the two zeros. If alpha, beta are the zeros, or we can consider it like that, let alpha, beta, let alpha, beta, let alpha, beta be the zeros, Let alpha, beta be the zeros, of the, these zeros are coming from where? These zeros are coming from the polynomial only. So alpha, beta be the zeros of the required polynomial of the required polynomial fx. What is fx? Fx value we have to find. What is fx? Fx means the function of x. It means we have to find a quadratic equation. That equation, maybe it will be like that: ax square plus bx plus c. It will be like that only. So fx value should be like that: ax square bx plus c. It means there will be a x term, there will be also another one x term. First one is x square, coefficient of x square is a, and coefficient of x is b, and coefficient of c is nothing. It means c value means constant. We have to understand. Last one should be constant. Last value will be constant. So let alpha, beta be the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, or we can write required polynomial also, fx. Fx value we have to find. According to the question, what is given? They have given sum of the zeros. This is the first one, minus 3 by 5. So alpha and beta is the zeros. So we can write, according to the question also we can write, or we can go directly. Then sum means what? Plus. So we will write alpha plus beta. Alpha means the first zero, beta means the second zero. Since there is x square, it means we can understand we will get two values of x when we will do the middle factorization. So one should be, suppose we got x equal to 5 and another one x equal to 3. So first one we can consider this is alpha, second one we can consider this is beta. This is the alpha and beta. Alpha and beta means the two values of the x, and alpha and beta means we can understand this is the two zeros of the x. Also we can understand this is the two roots of the equation or of the polynomial. So alpha plus beta means sum of the zeros. According to the question, sum is given how much? Sum minus 3 by 5. So we will write minus 3 by 5. And also they have given product of the zeros. It means alpha into beta. Alpha beta means what? Alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is given how much? Minus 2 by 5. Minus 2 divided by 5. You have to read the question very nicely. Sum of its zeros minus 3 by 5. This is the sum. That's why alpha plus beta. And product of its zeros. This is the last one, minus 2 by 5. So alpha into beta. Alpha beta means what? Alpha into beta. So alpha into beta equal to minus 2 by 5. Now we have to go to the main form of the quadratic polynomial. So let write like that. Therefore fx. Fx means what? This one we have to find. Fx. Fx equal to, we will write the general form of the quadratic polynomial. What is this? This is x square minus sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros means what? Alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta. Then into x plus product of the zeros. Alpha into beta means what? Product of the zeros. So alpha beta. If you have confusion, then you can write here. If you don't write, it is also okay. If you want to write, you can write. Alpha plus beta means what? Sum of zeros. And alpha beta means what? You can write product of zeros. Alpha beta means what? Product of zeros. Alpha plus beta means what? Sum of zeros. So this is the main quadratic polynomial form. So fx equal to x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. It means what? Fx equal to x square minus alpha plus beta means what? Sum of the zeros into x plus alpha beta means what? Product of the zeros. Fx means what? Function of x. Why fx? Because we are getting here also x square, here also x. It means the equation or the quadratic polynomial, it is making with the term of x or with the variable of x. That's why we have to write this form. And this is the formula of quadratic polynomial formula. Suppose they have given the sum of the zeros and product of the zeros, then you have to apply this formula. X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. This is equal to, now we can put the values. X square is x square minus alpha plus beta value how much? Alpha plus beta equal to minus 3 by 5. Alpha plus beta value minus 3 by 5 and x is x plus alpha beta value how much? Alpha beta minus 2 by 5. Minus 2 divided by 5. This is equal to x square is x square. Then this minus x square minus this minus and minus 3 by 5. Minus into minus, it will be plus. This minus 3 by 5. For this minus 3 by 5 and before For this formula minus, it will be plus. So 3 by 5 is 3 by 5 into x is x. Then plus is, this plus is cannot plus, because plus into this minus, plus into minus, it will be minus because of minus 2 by 5. So minus 2 by 5 is minus 2 by 5. This is equal to, it means what you got, x square plus 3 by 5 into x minus 2 by 5. So we can see what, this 5 also denominator, here also this 5 is denominator. So we will think like that, we will just multiply with 5. 5 into x square, 5x square, plus 5 into 3 by 5, 5 into 3 by 5, 5 cancel, only remain 3. X is x. Then minus is minus, 2 by 5 into 5, so 5 cancel, only 2. So 5x square plus 3x minus 2 will be the final answer. 5x square plus 3x minus 2 will be the final answer. Hence the required quadratic, hence the required quadratic polynomial fx equal to how much? 5x square plus 3x minus 2. So this is the final answer. So let me discuss again some part. How come from this to this, x square plus 3 by 5 into x minus 2 by 5, from this to this, try to understand what we have done here. We are just multiplying by 5. So 5 into this, 5 into x square plus 3 by 5 into x minus 2 by 5. What we have done here, we have to multiply by 5. So 5 into x square, 5x square plus 5 into 3 by 5 minus 5 into 2 by 5. So 5 cancel, 5 cancel. So what is remain? 5 into x square, 5x square. Then 3 into x, 3x. Minus 2 is minus 2. So this is the final answer, 5x square plus 3x minus 2. Hence the required quadratic polynomial fx equal to 5x square plus 3x minus 2. Thank you all of you. This will be the final answer.